Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm excited. I'm going to be showing you a very powerful tool that Prota structure has included in 2025 as well. If this is the first time you are coming across any of my videos, I like you to just like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. Okay, as you can see, this is Space Truss. If I click on this Space Truss, I click here. Sorry, I will take that again. I'll click here, pick my first point, click my second point. Let's wait for it. It's loading in the background. All right, so we are here. You can see this is our Space Truss. Now this, you have the liberty to play around with this. You can play around with it however you want. You can see this is reducing, this is increasing. However, I can select any of these. You can see the top surface. Based on what I have here, you can see it's like a plane. If I want this to be like a cylindrical shape, I can actually just select that. That's for the top. You know, we have the top, we also have the bottom. So but as it is, let me just click on OK. We can come back to this just for us to see what it will give us. Okay, it's still loading. You can see what we have. Trust me, Prota structure is a must-get software. It is software that you should have. 2025 is really powerful. Prota structure are doing a great job. As you can see, what this software can actually generate for you. This is a Space Truss. We can play around with it. Like I said, you can actually change the spacing. You can see the top surface, the start radius is at this, the end radius is this, start center. You can play around with all of these settings to give you whatever you want. You can see the column count, we have 8. The row count, we have 8 as well. Then the Z offset is actually 0. So if you click on generate to generate that for you, you can see what we have based on this information. But if this is basically not what I want, I can as well change it. But let's click on OK and let's see what we have here in our model. All right, you can see what it has generated. So you can play along with this. So however you want to play around with this, you can see that top curve surface. You can see it has been generated as well, but this is too high. This is not what I want. So you can play along with it. I can also double click and go back to the properties of this my Space Truss and still play along with it however I want to. Okay, so you can see this is the section. This is a section here. This is basically the section we are using by default settings from the Prota structure itself. Now you are at liberty to as well change this your section. Okay, you are at liberty to change. If I click on it, it brings up another new window for me. You can see this is the still section I'm using. I can change it to whatever kind of section I want to make use of. Okay, but I think it's suitable to use a hollow circular section like this. Similarly, you can play along with the height. If you look at this, I can as well change this also the bottom to also be curved as it is. You can see it could be cylindrical at the bottom as well. I can make it cylindrical at the bottom as well. So and then the height, you can as well play along with the height and change the height of this. Okay, you can see along the x direction, um, bottom surface, y direction 15 meters. This is 15 meters. Okay, which is really too high. Okay, so I can as well play along with this. So let's see what we have. I will come down here and click on generate. Okay, so once you click on generate, you can see what we have here. So that has changed to 2 meters height. So this is 2 meters height. You can as well change it however you want. You can see this is the shape we are using now at the top surface and also at the bottom surface. You can see this is reducing at the top. This is just giving you a preview of how it's going to look like in the 3D. So Prota structure is really doing a very great job. So if I click on this, okay, it brings me back here. This will automatically change. Okay, let's allow it. It's still loading. Okay, so that has been created for me. So you can see what we have. Initially it was showing red. What that means is that it has failed, right? It has even failed. So red is danger, it has failed. So you can see this is our space truss. A very great powerful feature in Prota structure that you can actually play along with. So similarly, just like we did, we can as well still go back to the properties of these space truss and as well also change it to maybe another shape. It depends on what you want to achieve. Depends on how the architecture comes. You can actually play around with it. You can see now it's going to be increasing at this is reducing at the top. This is increasing at the top. This is reducing at the top. This is increasing at the top. That's basically what it means. So if I click on generate, so you can see now it is increasing at the top. It's increasing at the top. So I can click on OK. All right, so we are here now. That has been generated for us as well. So I believe it's still loading. So all right, we are here. Okay, so Prota structure is doing a great job. They are seriously working on these softwares. They are improving it day by day, and it's becoming a very powerful software. It's a very powerful. It's becoming very powerful. You can't afford to miss out on Prota structure. Right, if you like this video, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, you can check down below the description of this video. You find the link to this channel. You can visit the channel to keep yourself busy. There are lots that we have actually talked about in time past on different softwares, both in architecture, in structures, on road, and also on water designs. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.